Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. In this sub-series, we are going to look at MenuStrip and ContextMenuSrip controls. So first let us learn about the basics of menu and menu items. So this will be the Windows form. Here you will have title and other items. So in C# Windows form, this is called MenuStrip. So MenuStrip will hold all the menus. In some other language, they are called menu bar. So Windows user commonly know this as a menu bar, which will hold the menu. Here in Windows form, the name is MenuStrip. Why? Because here we use a MenuStrip control. Using this MenuStrip control, we will hold all the menus. So what you are seeing here is a title for the menu. So once you click any of these menu, it will expand we call this as a menu title. Once you click the menu title, it will open a menu. So if you see here inside the menu, once you click the menu title, it will open a menu. The menu will have menu items. So these are all menu items. And this one is called separator. So once you click a menu title, it will open a menu. And sometimes when you click a menu item, it may display one more menu. So that menu is called submenu. So usually the submenu will come with this arrow mark. Right. So once you click this arrow mark, it will open one more menu. So we call this as a submenu. So this is main menu. Main menu item opens one more menu. So in that case, we call this as a submenu. Sometimes once you right click somewhere, we can display a menu, and if you see, this menu is not attached to any MenuStrip. So we can call this as a context menu. Again, this context menu contains two menu items, ABC, XYZ. So these menu items can produce a event, and we can handle the event. That means a click event it will produce. So inside the click event handler, we can take the appropriate action. So that's all the basics of a menu. And once again, if you see, the MenuStrip will be attached to a Windows form, a top level container. Then once you click the menu title, it will pull down a pop-up menu or simply menu. The menu will contain one or more menu items. Once you click menu items, it may produce a click event, and we can handle that click event and take appropriate actions. Some menu may display one more submenu, one more menu. In that case, we can call that as a submenu. Why? Because here the owner of this submenu is one more menu. So in this case, we call this as a main menu, and in that main menu, there is one menu item that opens a submenu. Sometimes at mouse cursor location, we can display a menu by right clicking, say for example, and this menu is what called a context menu. So there is no demo here. We just learned the basics. Thank you for watching. Bye.